Hi all, I am K. Surya, working as assistant professor in the Department of ECE at SNS College of Technology. In this video, let us see about firewalls and its types. A firewall is a device that is used to prevent the private networks from unauthorized access. A firewall is a security solution for the computers or devices that are connected to the network. It can be either a hardware or a software. It monitors and controls the incoming and outgoing traffic. The major purpose of this network firewall is to prevent an inner network by separating it from the outer network. The inner network can be simply called as a network and an organization, and a network that is not in the range of this is known as a outer network. The different types of firewalls are packet firewall, stateful infection firewall, application layer firewall, next generation firewall, circuit level gateway, software firewall, hardware firewall, and cloud firewall. Now, let us see each one in detail. So the first one is packet firewall. So it is a technique used to control the network access by monitoring outgoing and incoming packets and allowing them to pass or halt based on the source and destination IP addresses, protocols, and ports. So this is also known as static firewall. So as shown here, the local area network will be connected to a packet filtering firewall, which in turn is connected to the internet. So next one is a stateful inspection firewall. It is a type of packet filtering firewall, which is used to control how the data packets move through a firewall. It is also known as dynamic packet filtering, and these firewalls can inspect that if the packet belongs to a particular session or not. It only permits communication if and only if the session is perfectly established between two endpoints, else it will block the communication. Um, so as shown in the diagram here, you'll be having a stateful inspection firewall in between, which will be consisting of state tables and state inspection engine. So the client will be connected to the internet. Between the internet and the server, you'll be having the stateful inspection firewall. Next one is next generation firewall. So these firewalls are called intelligent firewalls because it can perform all the tasks that are performed by the other types of firewalls. Um, it includes additional features like application awareness and control, integrated intrusion prevention, and cloud delivered threat intelligence. So this is a block diagram of next generation firewalls. You'll be having the internet, which will be connected to the firewall. So it will be deciding whether to allow or deny based on the performance. So one more type is application layer firewall. So it can examine the application layer of the OSI model information like the HTTP request. If it finds some suspicious application that can be responsible for harming our network or that is not safe for our network, then it gets blocks the right way. Next one is the circuit level gateways. So a circuit level gateway is a firewall that provides UDP and TCP connection security, and it works between the OSI network models, transport and application layers such as the session layer. So you'll be having an inside host and outside host. So in between you'll be having a circuit level gateway where you'll be having in and out. So the connections are shown here. Next one is software firewall. So this software firewall is a type of computer software that runs on our computer. It protects our system from any external attacks such as unauthorized access, malicious attacks, etc., by notifying us about the danger that can occur if we open a particular mail or if we try to open a website that is not secure. Next one is the hardware firewall. The hardware firewall is a physical appliance that is deployed to enforce a network boundary. All network links crossing this boundary pass through the firewall, which enables it to perform an inspection of both inbound and outbound network traffic and enforce access controls and other security policies. Next one is cloud firewall. So it's a software-based cloud deployed network device. So this cloud-based firewall protects a private network from any unwanted access. Let us see about some advantages of firewalls. One is monitors the network traffic and analyzes the traffic by inspecting whether the traffic or the packets passing through our network is safe for our network or not. Next one is halt hacking. So in a society where everyone is connected to a technology, it becomes more important to keep firewalls in our network and use the internet safely. Next one is it stops the viruses. So viruses can come from anywhere, such as an insecure website, from spam message or any threat. So it becomes more important to have a strong defense system. A virus attack can easily shut off a whole network. In such a situation, firewall plays a very important role here. Next one is better security. It's about monitoring and analyzing the network from time to time and establishing a malware-free, virus-free, spam-free environment. So network firewall will provide better security to our network. Next one is increased privacy. By protecting the network and providing better security, we can get a network that can be trusted. Next one is disadvantages. So it is very costly. The types of firewalls. The next one is restrict users. Restricting users can be a disadvantage for large organizations because of its tough security mechanisms. A firewall can restrict the employees to do a certain operation, even though it's a necessary operation. Next one is issues with the speed of the network. Um, and the last one is maintenance. So firewalls requires continuous updates and maintenance with every change in the networking technology. So as the development of new viruses is increasing continuously, that can damage the system. Let us take up some assessment questions. Network layer firewall works as a dash. The options of frame filter, packet filter, content filter, and wireless filter. Yes, the answer is a packet filter. A stateful firewall maintains a dash, which is the list of active connections. The answer is routing table. Thank you for watching this video.